In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 really easy kindergarten lunch ideas that are super cute and they pack really fast. Our first lunch idea is our cutout sandwiches. Cutouts are a kid favorite because they can get a shape, their favorite one, from puzzles to dinos. I'll link a few below, but for today's video, I'm gonna use a dinosaur shaped. My son loves it, and I simply make the sandwich first with a little mayo and then a slice of cheese, a couple slices of turkey or ham or any deli meat you like. Close the sandwich and then firmly press down on the sandwich. Hold it for a few seconds until you hit the cutting board and then remove the edges and you have a really nice thick dino sandwich. Now I'm not gonna pack the dinos by themselves, of course. I'm going to also add a veggie like some baby carrots and a dip, which you can put directly in the lunch container if your lunch container is sealable, or of course you can also pack it in a small lidded container, and just like that you have a nice dino sandwich or a cutout sandwich made for you. Another kid favorite and my favorite to pack because it's super quick are bento boxes. In this one, I'm gonna put some deli turkey, a sliced cheese, some sliced cucumbers or whatever veggie your child prefers, some crackers that are really crunchy and delish, and of course, something to dip like this yogurt tzatziki dip in a small separate container. Bento lunches are really great because I can mix and match my child's favorite ingredients, whether are veggies, proteins, fruits in a small container. They're bite-sized, so that means that they can eat them relatively fast while they're chatting with their friends. If you're stumped with what to pack in a bento box, make sure to download a copy of my Lunchbox Printable, which I share with you how to mix and match all sorts of ingredients, and the link is below the video for you. Another kid favorite lunch idea are these ham and cheese apple wraps. They are the perfect sweet and savory combination that kids love. They're also bite-sized, so they're sure to be devoured. Assembling this lunch is quick and easy by placing a slice of ham on a flat surface, then some cheese and a slice of apple, and wrap it all up and pack a few of those in the lunch container along with some veggies and dips. Now those are just 3 examples of healthy and fast lunch ideas for our youngest kids. If you need more, make sure to watch this next video and check out the links in the description box. See you next time.